Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we're going to take a look at the top 5 best standing desks on the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these standing desks, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these standing desks, which one would it be? Leave a reply in the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Eureka Ergonomic Adjustable Standing Desk. If you're looking to substitute your ordinary office desk with something more advanced and feel comfortable during your daily work, then the Eureka could really be a good option for you. From a design perspective, this desktop converter comes in 3 colors which you can choose from, but today we're going to make an overview of the black one. The Eureka is 36 inches wide, so you will have a lot of space for placing all of your necessary things around you and be more productive through your day. The main materials which were used on this desktop converter are MDF, steel and plastic, and thanks to its Z-structure design, the stability and durability are guaranteed even if you fully extend it. The lift range varies between 5.5 inches to 20 inches, and the gas power springs which help you elevate the desk were tested for 100,000 cycles according to the company. During your lifting adjustments, you won't deal with any annoying noise due to its quality, while on the other side, it can actually suit to those people that are 6'4" tall or 193 cm for those who prefer the metric system. The top tier can hold up to 2 monitors, while the bottom has plenty of space for keeping your keyboard, laptop, mouse or other accessories, and there is also a special groove which is meant to keep your tablet or smartphone. Basically, you will have everything around you as I stated before, and these things combined make this desk a unique one. The feet are one of the key points of Eureka. They are large and feature rubberized layers to ensure that your desk will stay always stable regardless if you have adjusted it on its minimum or maximum height. Another great thing about this desktop converter is that you can place a 27-inch ultra-wide monitor on it without a problem, and that's if you're not a fan of having 2 dual monitors. And I would recommend you to place a sticky pad to keep your monitor from sliding around since the surface is sleek and slippery. Overall, you should definitely take the Eureka into consideration if you're looking for a spacious desktop converter that can let you place all of your important things and increase your productivity. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Helter ED258. The Helter ED258 was designed to improve the health condition of those who suffer from back and neck pain and also circulation problems. Most importantly, it comes pre-assembled, so from the moment you get it, you can place your peripherals and work comfortably. From a design perspective, the ED258 uses a double X-lift design that is supported by 2 small gas cylinders which are placed on each side of the base for letting you have straight up and down adjustments effortlessly. This standing desk converter has an upper platform which serves for holding up to 2 monitors and a few accessories, while its lower platform has enough space for holding an oversized keyboard and mouse. There is also an additional space on the back of the keyboard tray, so you can place your laptop or tablet, so you will have literally enough space for everything needed in order to be as productive as possible. However, there is not any built-in system or adhesive back clips included for having a better cable management, so you will have to buy them additionally. On this desk, you can make height adjustments with a maximum range of 16.14 inches, so if you're really tall, you might not feel its full potential, but for others, it will be completely fine. The stability is a strong anchor point for the ED258, so even if you're fully extended, you won't deal with any shaking that could irritate you. This is mainly because of the metal support brackets that are positioned on the keyboard platform and the rubber stoppers on the underside of the keyboard tray. The ED258 is also capable enough to improve your health conditions by offering a standing mode, so your posture will be improved as well as your circulation and you will avoid any back and neck pain. It takes only a few seconds for switching between sitting to standing modes, so I recommend you to try it and assure yourself of the given benefits. To conclude, you should take this model into consideration, and if you ever decide to purchase it, the ED258 will ensure a better health condition and high level of comfort through your working day. Next up, at number 3 we have the StandSteady X Elite Pro. The StandSteady X Elite Pro is a compact and popular sit-stand desk that doesn't occupy much space on your office or house, but instead it helps you with your ergonomics and back pain. From a design perspective, the X Elite Pro is made of aluminum and laminated particle board, while its legs and base are made of steel. The whole construction is supported by an air pump lift mechanism which will let you make height adjustments from 7 to 16 inches. The desk is flat and wide, so you will have enough space to place your laptop, monitor and other peripherals without worrying about the stability thanks to its black metal frame. Another great thing about the desk is that it is sturdy enough to handle up to 20 or 25 pounds of weight, so before placing your items, I would recommend you to calculate the total weight in order to have a relaxed and worry-free experience. But that's not all. Thanks to its compactness, which makes this desk mobile, you can carry it with you when you're going on a holiday or use it in your office or household so you can enjoy the given comfort anywhere you go. The X Elite Pro can accommodate even those users that are 193 cm or 6 feet and 4 inches for those who prefer the Imperial system, which is surprisingly high for such a compact unit. However, it is a bit challenging when used in a sitting position, because most users will still find its lowest settings to be too high, which makes it not too ideal for sitting down. But you can fix this issue easily by using casters, which will let you find your ideal height and make you comfortable. I want to also mention that the transition from sitting to standing mode is extremely fast, and all you have to do is just press the handle that will unlock the unit and allow you to move it up and down. The X Elite Pro will keep silent during this process, so you won't deal with any distraction noise that could disturb your comfort. Overall, if you're looking for a compact, durable and quality standing desk that will be stable during your work, then the X Elite Pro is worth considering. Moving on, at number 2 we have the mounted MI7920. The mounted MI7920 is a spacious and versatile sit-stand desk converter that will equip you with the ideal sit or stand movement while giving you your body type the best posture for minimizing the occurrences of neck and back fatigue as much as possible. From a design perspective, the MI7920 comes in a black color and features a spacious platform that is supported by a spring-assisted lift mechanism for making smooth adjustments from sitting to standing, and a durable metal frame for reducing the desk shaking as much as possible. The upper platform has plenty of room for holding dual monitors, laptops, tablets or other accessories, while the ergonomic keyboard tray can hold your mouse and keyboard, and is strategically placed for promoting a healthier posture during your working day. Thanks to its spring-assisted lift mechanism, you can easily adjust the height and make one-motion transitions quickly and without any distraction noise. All you have to do is just squeeze the handles on either side and the desk will raise or lower respectively, so you can choose your ideal height and work comfortably. You can make height adjustments that range between 5.5 to 19.75 inches, and even if you fully extend it, the desk will be stable, which is really good. I want to mention that the maximum weight capacity is up to 33 pounds, so if you want to avoid any undesirable moments, I recommend you to calculate the total weight of your accessories or peripherals before placing them on this desk. The health benefits are guaranteed with this model, because it will minimize the fatigues that are often caused because of long periods of sitting, while on the other side, it can also lower the risk of getting cardiovascular problems or problems associated with obesity and type 2 diabetes. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the VeriDesk Pro Plus 36. The VeriDesk Pro Plus 36 is amongst the biggest names in the standing desk market due to its flexibility and capabilities to empower a correct posture, which is the key for living a healthy life. From a design perspective, the Pro Plus 36 features a two-tier design that is supported by a spring-loaded boost mechanism and dual handles which will work closely together to help you make easy lift and lower adjustments to any of the 11 height settings. The upper platform is spacious enough to hold dual monitors or a monitor and a laptop at the same time, while the keyboard tray can easily hold your keyboard, mouse and other basic accessories without having to move any components when you're raising or lowering adjustments. The overall construction is really stable and it can hold up to 35 pounds or 15.8 kilograms for those who prefer the metric system, which is more than enough for placing all of your needed things without worrying even if you fully extend it. The surface can be extended up to 17.5 inches, while the keyboard deck can be extended up to 14 inches, so you can choose your ideal position and have a better posture and improve circulation regardless if you're using it on sit or stand mode. However, I want to mention that the Pro Plus 36 does not include any wire management tools, so you should get some adhesive back strips and do some wire managing by yourself. The transition from sit to stand or vice versa is really convenient and can be done in seconds without hearing any disturbing sound. This is helpful because your concentration will be maintained on a high level since the lifting process is done within seconds. I want to mention that the highest settings is a bit low for all users, or to be more precise, for those who are 6'2" and above. So, if you don't belong to this group, then you shouldn't worry about anything. Overall, the VeriDesk Pro Plus 36 is surely one of the best standing desks on the market. So, if you're looking for a standing desk that will increase your productivity, then this is the one you're looking for. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these desks, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.